Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by proving ownership. Show your ID and registration if you call a professional. Once done, check immediate, non-destructive options, a spare key, a working key fob, or your manufacturer's mobile app. Make sure to record the car's make, model, year, and VIN. Technicians will ask. You're starting with legal, safe routes so you avoid damage and liability. If you don't have proof, don't attempt forced entry. Instead, contact the police for guidance before proceeding. Next, contact professionals. Call your roadside assistance, insurer, or the authorized dealer. Explain you're locked out and provide the VIN and ownership details. This enables a remote unlock or dispatching a mobile locksmith. Once you request service, confirm identity verification steps and get an estimated arrival time and cost. While you wait, stay safe near the vehicle, avoid leaving valuables in view, and keep your phone charged. These steps prevent damage and preserve. When the technician arrives, follow their instructions and observe the method used so you can avoid repeated service calls. Once unlocked, test the key fob in each door. Make sure locks and electronics respond. If the issue is a dead battery, request a jump start or key fob battery replacement. If problems persist, document the service with a receipt and ask about getting a spare key or dealer reprogramming. If something goes wrong, pause and request the technician's troubleshooting step before attempting any other action.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.